We got some great stuff for your cheese boards. We've got some raw honey Nashville hot seasoning that we make, cheese stuff, pickled peppers, bacon, jam, and then a great cheese knife set. And we're gonna include some recipes to use that Nashville seasoning. We're gonna do some Nashville seasoned Marcona almonds. We're gonna do a little baked brie recipe to kind of show you how to elevate that cheese board a little bit more.
Perfect pairing with this 2024 Grenache Blanc. Got rid of it back in 2019, but we just got it back, so we're excited about that.
So we're just gonna start making a basic caramel with some nice French butter and some brown sugar, and then our warming spices that are gonna end up in our apple butter. So to assemble that baked brie, start off with your square of puff pastry. Just have it kind of nice and thin, you know, about 1/8 of an inch. We got that beautiful apple butter that we just made. Spread a good amount of that right over the top. And then you're just gonna pull these 4 corners over the top of the cheese and kind of gently let them seal. An egg whisk up with a little bit of water over the top there. And then we're gonna go into the oven with this. 400 degrees, 25 to 35 minutes.
Hey Chef, what do you got there?
We've got our awesome cheese board all set and ready to go.
2024 Grenache Blanc. It's gonna be the perfect one to pair with this cheese board.
Great acid in there, you know, really nice bright kind of, you know, what citrusy flavors going on. So it's a really great wine just to go along with food in general.
Yeah, of course. Cheers.
Beautiful and gooey. Some for you, sir.
Oh my gosh, this looks like it's gonna be hot. Oh my gosh. Delicious.
Oh, it's delicious. The acid in the wine is just cuts through the cheese nicely. The apple butter on that brie, just a nice little sweet little touch. We've got a couple of great options from Point Reyes Cheese here in California. So we got their Herbes de Provence Toma, their classic Toma, and then the Tomarashi, which has some spices in it, some Asian spices in there. Really great kind of alpine cheeses. Baked brie, our bacon jam in the jar there. This awesome honeycomb, raw honeycomb that we're including in that box, and then the pickled peppers and those really nice crackers, and then of course the Nashville hot almonds. If you guys need more information on our October Provisions box, go ahead and check out the website at priestranchwines.com.